What up, guys? BigBoxBreaks.com. Break number 383 is filled. So if you don't get a hit in this break, you're going to be entered into a free spot round in my next break, which will be Series 1 as always. So let's get to it. 3 times on the teams. 3. Nashville on the bottom. Tampa Bay on top. And there are the teams. A little bit. And beep on the break. 3. Just on the bottom and on top. Paste. And like always, I do put this in the description below. So let's go like this. So we got Tampa goes to just Matea 59 Devils, Ver 24 Ducks. Islanders is PL 99. Flyers is CC Chopping. Phoenix is Jazzista 1986. Colorado's Ghost Frank. Verge 24, you've got Vegas. Vancouver's Matea. Kings is Kern 1381. Verge, you got the Hurricanes. Stars goes to Ghost Frank. Lime Blue Lewis, you got the Leafs. You got the Panthers. PL 9950, you got the Wild. Robert 8796, the Wings. Jets go to CC Hopping. Rangers is Ghost Frank. Oilers is PL 9950. Columbus is CO Arms 46. Penguins is Thailand Dwell. Washington is Jista. JD Ista 1986. Chicago is Matea 59. Kern, you got the Bruins. Jameson 903. Montreal. JD Sta 1986. The Flames. The Blues is Matea 59. Robert 8796. The Stars or Sharks. Senators is Lime Blue Lewis. Sabres is Ghost Frank. And JD Sta 1986. You've got the Predators. So those are the teams. And as always, off to the spot. Okay, let's get going. Electric Magnet. Oilers. Draisaitl. Regular. Canvas. Arizona. Green. There we go, clear. Nice. Who's this? Dandanov. Ottawa. Clear cut base. This is Rasmus Dahlin, Buffalo. Portrait. Next one is Janot. Nashville, that's a good one. Pretty solid player there. Another young gun. Looks like for Buffalo. Nope. Joey Kane. Carolina. Beats off rookie retrospective silver. I guess there's gold versions of this too. Portraits. Mr. Burns. San Jose. P. That's the gold version. Nice. Braden Point. Gold. Let's leave them. Electric Magnet, Red Wings, Dylan Larkin, nope, canvas, ruined it, my bad guys. Pavelski, Dallas. Dazzler. Cam Atkinson, CBJ. This one's all fucked up. Cards seem okay. It's going to be the Young Gun checklist. Caulfield. We'll do a random for this at the end. Montreal and Anaheim. That's cool. Young Gun, Buffalo, T.S. Samuelson, terrible helmets. Pacioretty, Vegas, canvas. Honorable for Carolina, say his name, should have done that one. Debuts. Vitaly Kravtsov. Zeros. French. Here it is with Islanders. Jordan Eberle. Young Gun. Flyers. Jackson Keys. The other Young Gun. Cam York, Philadelphia as well. They'll be on the board twice. Canvas here. Brock Nelson. Islanders. 2 packs left. Rantanen honor roll. And the last pack. Electric Magnet. St. Louis. David Perron. How many Young Guns did we get? 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we got them. So let's go back to the spot, do the run for the free spot in my next. Their recap. Debut. French. Islanders. That's 2. Perspective. Kaprizov. Let's do the Electric Magnets now. David. Draisaitl. Perron. Larkin. P. David. Dazzler. Columbus. Two of these. Canvas. Set there. Look, canvases look great. Portraits. Okay, let's go with the Young Guns. Next are Rare inserts, gold 100p. Our clear cut. Cool. And our random. So, Young Guns checklist, Montreal and Ducks 3 times. Montreal. So now let's do our free spot. James, we're now off that list. So we got Burr, Kern, got 2 in Thailand Dwell. 3 times, free spot in my next break. Kern, 1381, free spot. So thanks a lot, guys. Check out BigBoxBreaks.ePrayer.com. Still have this platinum. No one's interested anymore. I'm gonna fill that one. Sitting for a while, so thanks a lot, guys, and I'll post another Series 1, so that free spot Kern you'll have in Series 1. So thanks a lot, guys, and I'll get these cards out as soon as I can.